Hi, so finally I am using these brushes that Nykaa sent me. These are silicone brushes and I'm not using the contour one because I don't use a liquid contour. So I'm just gonna use concealer brush, eyeliner brush, which I'm gonna use as a lipstick brush. This is eyeshadow and this is for foundation. So let's see how it goes. And for the foundation I'm gonna use the Nykaa one only. I usually don't apply foundation actually. I just go with concealer because, touch wood, my skin is alright. I just need to hide these dark circles, you know. Now let's see the foundation brush. I am gonna take the Nykaa foundation only. It's in the shade Warm Sand, and it is good for it is my tone actually, or it's a little darker, I don't know. Let's use this. So I've taken this amount of product. So it's almost blended, but still I'll like to go once, you know, just dab my fingers to make everything even. So I think it did a pretty good job. What do you think? So my camera's battery is low, so I'm just quickly gonna apply some eyeshadow. I'm not actually, currently I'm using this palette for my eyeshadow. This is actually a baked blush, but I just love it so much. It's very subtle and good for a, you know, day-to-day look. I really like this because it actually feels like I'm using my finger only to apply the eyeshadow. Plus it's shaped like this, so you can easily go, you know, in the inside corners. So for the lipstick I'm gonna go with, again, from Nykaa. Actually I really love Nykaa, Caramel Margarita. So I'm gonna use this eyeliner brush as a lip liner and take some product. Sorry, battery low हो गई थी. So I have done like my makeup and everything was done already with using these brushes, so I thought like I'll just complete it and tell you which one I'm gonna use again. So I'm totally gonna use foundation brush, like for sure. It has blended it so well, it looks like it's my skin only. Like seriously, maybe it's the foundation. I'm using the Nykaa's foundation for the first time, but this brush and that foundation is like bomb combination. And eyeshadow brush is awesome. Also I like this liner brush that I used as a lip liner, but you can also use it as a, obviously, eyeliner brush. And what I like the most about them, that you can just wash these easily with your water and normal soap and you're good to go. Like, and this is the honest opinion that I'm giving to you. I've used it in front of you, so believe me, it's good. And I won't use concealer brush because honestly I don't know if you also have it. I have very wrinkly eyes and it just does not work so well. Like as a concealer brush I won't use it, but yeah, for foundation lip brush, eyeliner, and what is it, eyeshadow brush, I'll definitely go for it. So yeah, I hope you like this little video. Save it or maybe place your order from Nykaa. These brushes are not so expensive, so you can totally go for it and try it by yourself. And yeah, and if you think that I should do more Instagram videos, so comment down below. I'll start doing it.